boza. Ade achi bia atu nipa ne bre. Se mum sa ade achi ese dia yakohwinwa nsem ene ene mo ba be che. Na ene no nsem no emususu. What I say, mpanifo koma se bi se ade achi ne ase anti asempa. Na che se yechi. Nsem ne de ya woni bede but ye bebo ne tofa ye be chim na da foforo ya bremu bi nti ene no diama ye de bremu no kakra bi na ansa ne be ko dwumedi ni so no se woni medi ne da se me diane lapichi Ghana sensem so ni the producer one Richie Flex and I'm a cameraman the guitar rasta currency ono na o chinchin camera no ma bibia ye den pay na ye penyi kese pa Same Flex what I say Same Flex ono na obodwumedi nyuna ka e ma bibia isi pay na intentem so no yenko Nkwantana South na video bi etwagu wo hono na ohwe video na wo tim say ye Ghana for ase ye Ghana mpani for no mo fa nye hwe wo Ghana ase omumbu ye ba kokra omumbu ye say GB4 omo de adwen di akro like they don't think about the welfare of the citizens by ya no mo refuse to say Ghana hano say nipa ni ho you cannot rule anyone. There's no one for you to rule if there is no human being on earth nor in your country. Anything we video bi Adom TV news Adom news now video now wa crowd rebel a police building and a dine bubu o say 34 dine atakwame dine and a bubu but still a police for anything because they have nowhere to go. So intermediate me kase inti ahekra na aban be spende a president e be spende EDC bia wo dey say chairman ne hompo be thing na why na bansoro e bia 1 2 3 inti bia down na ye 10 na top ye 10 na the next floor no so ye 10 inti na bia 2 story and I say 3 story na you say bia 30 rooms aban ska hi na untimi fanye sadi we ska hi na untimi fanye sadi we mati say coronavirus so say then ya tiska 2.5 million dollars say Ghana city say they ato say they train say coronavirus over who see hu atwen coronavirus na nipa na ono ti man ni mu na onya bebi ndane de ono so wonwe ne ho na say nipa ni wu a coronavirus no why na ebechi eya well, your politicians they feel like omo smart ama but they need a chance ni do hoye but me meeting like I say me ma dwemu docracy on they are not smart one bit but just say power no mo nya no mo de ye de omo de ye police for dan omo dem a omo na omo bo man ne ho ban o hwe dan a police for ni dem arebe ho omo battles kra I say ayi radi Christ dina boy me say omo battles omo dware wo mu kra no tantan in 40 year awi ni nyina dan omo de mu do ho pem ni kito bi pe dan ni bebu na so a police 40 sa dan we mu e no mo de bo man ho ban still me say mpanyifo na omo Ghana omo ana omo show mu kutupa omo ana omo show mo den mo je bribe because say oda dan bi mu say no feel comfortable so ochi wa kakra de wo so oji no so de hwe ne how far na so oji bribe a wo se me yi na di mu mpanyifo na mo show mo den mo je bribe no me hwe video no mere hoye ye hwe video no ne emra sisia ye da mase se munya bre na ma hwe video smos baby a police for order mo hu baby a police for order na se we omoje bribe ye se ye ntiase because we see luxury room bi amom we dey need 2 month luxury po cheme na ho bi amom self contained no you okay I'm not sure say omoje bribe or the kwa den and as I'm Nkwantana South Okran, the assemblyman ni ho, MP ni ho. Omo de sa ade we ba kotu nanim. Ama ono so di ababeto parliament no modi ho abobo no makwa akosisi ho. Ne to mo ebe ni etimu. No problem. December bedu. Kokromuti no be kire. Why? Yada mase, ye fa no si ya.
taxifo a wonom ewo Enkwanta South a ewo Oti Mantemu ne de sese ehu na abeto wonom so pa isan se edan a wonom timu no atete apansama aka kakra bi ne se adwiri ede agu fom ebra adom kase ama neboni ekopie mu wo ho no okohunu se adan a policefo ne wonom abusuafo etimu no eho apaapai ma entokuro akese ededemu ma se wugina chire kura na electrical wires a ede ya adan ne nyina ani da honom a ede ehu kese na aba beto enipa etete sa adan yi mu empo adan a wonom aya wodware wo mu no efa nyina adwiri agu ama kakra bi na aka esensen honom policefo yire no mu bi a wonom ewo honom ene ama neboni obrempoma ke ewusu atwetwe nkomo
atakwa me dan na ache susu nti edan ni na gusu wo de hoka no krampo inside one wo de hoka krampo se egusu group nti nka yesra be so o ye mu bi ba ensuo su ni wo ye ko nsuo e wase o ye nti bi nsuo anti ye bopa na omo goma ye nipa no kwa pine ba ko obeji 1 city asa na wasa tu ya park ka ele wa bebre nkran ni muamo so ha ye pa bidi kontia o mo kai wa rough ba no ye se kawa ntimi nya ani se ma we ni yare
a policefo bi ete honom ene amaneboni antwetwe nkomo isan se wonom suro se bi a wokoka bibia na fe ye de ani akwakosi wonom so nenso efie wura saa dan eye ne dia Francisco Fibisa ekire mu se a policefo mpanyinfo besi ne ya no sika wose wotua e wodan no ho no wonom entuae ne nyina aka ho bi na wonom ntimi nyensiasi adwuma bia e wodan no ho no
Emma wodi dan no ma ye bibia pepepe I'm kwamba na wa sese adan locks we na mra me be ma okura no o ma me ti asese apostle na wode wodan ma apostle hwe dan so yi eno enkoda nche but omushas obutua say the valuation officers will value and then they will give you whatever is expected of you and then I'm going to check amount say or mom say na a woman every 2 years there was some rent review no since 2012 and that was the last time they did rent review and actually my tra only last year 2019 I feel no my and no no almost trying to 2016 and they do 2018 and no plan on my man and no arrears and buy and just cannot me mama kitwano make a evaluation officer almost say it can allow they don't pay me well it can allow me to do better renovation for them anything they can say me pay the rent review we say arrears no ba I'll be in position to renovate everything for them.
Yako entertainment ni muno. Fantana. Sarah of Town Girl CD. Asemo. Baby abe fan. Fantana na ne ho aba asem. Asem be na ne ho. Aba ne ho. Na ene say Fantana kan asem bi some time ago. Ewo nkonkonsa TV so. Na which is Eugene channel no I wo how do you call it Instagram no na Eugene bisa na say ono ne mema like ne specs no den on come na no so ono the specs footballers like ono pemema omo ye footballers you know like omo living luxury life like fame like omo sika no enunti na ono pay footballers omo lifestyle ya ne fame like fame no so wo and it's kind of so wo so him say football is the music and sanda but when him say no dey there fanto na okas asem we okan last year this year you ni movement bi awaye na movement na ne den movement awaye ne say you no o teki video ni mu no o teki a o tika mu na ka na o ti mu no mi hu afriye akwanso wo ka ni woni no omo ye den omo twa spiridi aso omo ji omo ni omo tonyo na chese you know like mo so bisa che na enyo no kwa enyo ni efiri akwankwa but other guys can but guys ni minimum the only person na minimum no asem na me can efiri akwa the free akwa so dey nim so no ne wife no sisi ade no more sake of some nude ne some videos bi saga bi e ba ne wife no ho ne nyama ne ma binti no for now ne wife no enye den interview enti dia Fantana kan wo konkonsa so no then that means it is true because ono see ono the footballers no pay footballers we dey an ope ondo no kra na at least by the time I work as a big no so nya ho kakra on the siska na chese rich dem or say rich girl say rich lady say then me dey ono na sema so inti no dia open no inti yehu video ne dia me dey anyame nwanwa say oni efri ya kwa etwifa so e wo take ho no but oni wan koka so comfortable dia open no inti ye wish ne wo ye hwe video no say dia na wo mo take ni na wo mo jam na wo mo cover no ye hwe video no embassy here.
You say you're interested in footballers?
Yes, I'm interested in footballers.
Why?
What
Is it about footballers?
They're cute, they're active, and they're rich.
And you don't like Ghanaian footballers?
It depends on what team they're playing. Like outside.
So you're going to love somebody based on the team they play?
Like because the team, that's where the check and the money.
So it's about the money, the fame,
and everything. The fame, the lifestyle. Yeah.
So it's not really about love, right?
If we fall in love, that one too is nice.
So if you get the money and the person doesn't love you, they'll leave you at the end of the day?
I took your money, you left me, so.
You don't lose anything? Wow.
I don't lose nothing.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
When I meet you, I get the 360. Right?
Yes, the truth is. Oh, I didn't dress up today.
Thank you.
Hello, people spiritual. Holy Wade. Holy Wade. Shagari Wade. I'm gonna find that trouble. I'm gonna find that trouble. Right now. I'm gonna find that trouble. Okay. I'm gonna find out. Hey. See when you stand in for you. What a lie.
Mo see dia oti wan corner bi a che say all straight see dia guys no e boji like omo bonyum no ne dum cha omo tonyum na ono so boji so sa no ati ase inti no at least any bad so ono so expect no inti no winya ya wish ne wo na che say bibia enkoyi e man at least ono so ye oba onya ba ma ono so ye den e be kan ho she sometimes inti no ye mbohwi rough time ho na ne wo when the she e na ono so ne ho aba asem biu assembly bium no buy just say ye prophet e omo organ ha idie omo say omo de celebrities nkonhye nko no na prophet ya America na assembly ye friend no Jesus ahofe ni din ankasa ye Stephen Akwesi Apia Stephen Akwesi Apia ono na oye founder edema New Life Kingdom Chapel International ono na wa prophesy say when the she ansakra free the bonimu, which is when the she repenting. Na say one repentia, ye mpanyifo ni bi omo wo mayimu. Ebeche ne deny sacrifice. E dey ape power. Na power no ye nim say politicians so, ye nim say all court o, ye nim say I don't know. Power kra oka, but also be power. And ye nso ye nim say wi asimu ha no, and say Ghana ha no. Ye ka so be power, then that means nipa no a politician. Then that means nipa no so a politician. Enti no yenhwe sedia oka asem no. Wahye nkom say say once same free ni born yemu a and say once son no amba the new life. Yes, that means she should be born again. And say when you born again there, na say ombe kidnap no. Yes. Ye mpanyifo di bi be kidnap no. No mu kidnap na. Omo dey be share them for 21 days. Now after 21 days no be owu a na microphone no power ne beba. But say asat now no ye nim power crokan. Say political power and say occult power. We can't differentiate and say we can't tell. It's in a movie video no say they are sharing come no. Na yemra sisia.
Who kidnapping? Say a kidnapping crofobia. Na kidnapping no e koso na magana ye huhu. Susum ewiase na hu say nyame abie be na hu say ya kidnapping crofobia.
The prophetic
one can't say when they say so on Saturday for man Nyankopon ya one they say before December and go back kidnap no e dey powers one they say me hu say susu ya kidnap no was said na kutuo bi mu a osu no was say was for 21 days no wu da ho no ha say pro na go for dey powers one they say afi afi bone de man man can't say no say bishop prophet akwasi apia say no ho fa no Jesus and offer nyame na so akasa
the nation prophet akasa the prophet one
so wa man ebra yi afa ho ma nyame a afi crophobia plan say kidnap no
Jesus
no be who are them them go for that the power
papa kasa na me ho wo so
ga na wu aben no akotofo be ko meeting afa ga no
yada mo say the ocean come I say ye prophet or Morgan had here celebrities in kwan kom she no mu asemu ba nyame wo ebe yi na when the shina so no na eno we ni edi twato when the shina no na wa be defend osofo no aden a nkrofo di na term sake of nkom na o share no nkrofo di na term na me tro konkron no ma yeti ase say yen a ye believe in tro konkron no me yeti ase say touch not my anointed say ne be a yen di na term yen bu no ana say like men yenye no because you don't know oni nyankopon tem asem say yampa o say nyampa you can't tell ena nyankopon no so no say me yemfa nkan ya wasra no so don't insult the anointed one what I say because oye no ana say o de usaka na no me etimi ba so na no me be ba so no enye wo ko wan hwe na ko ba o generation so na say waha o mama o mo be ba dachi na when the she akoposti ewo no posti yen so the same video no come share video na so na eto ho no o cho ase and o say you shouldn't insult the prophet, right? Jesus revealed to redeem. And he said nyankopon reveal dia then obe redeem nti ono ni gidie no when the she gidie no na che say waje nkomhye na tum nti o che say obi a onim sofo no number bia no onfa inbox no na che say one sofo ni nya nkitahudie na ombisa na kwankyere a ewo ho a obeye de atete ne ho efri sa nyamani nti say obesakra o say on sakra o when the she etoje wo a nti ye bia nyankopon ya adom na say okono kushia prophet ya na prophet ni kire ne niama ewo say o ya like impanyifo no enya ne nche no fa nyo omunya nkomade anasa om sacrifice na then ni nyina echi no ye de aseda be nyankopon say woyi akire a obeji no efri sa ohaw yimu wadi she ma mpa bo munye de yeso Ghana for ye be bo mpa ye ni bi atai ochi ye hwe poster ode to ho no ye hwe nyemra sisia se wa wo post ni bi o defend sofo sana oman ba party and say sana nyamesom epa ete even though say sofo ni ye kra na waka asem bi a e wo se won so tena ho na odwin 2 say ade we papa na say nya papa nti we papa ni film a na bone no so aye den we yi ato atwene sana ete na die twa to kra say bunim say program we no ye bia ye the funny video eto ichi na funny video bia me hu ye no papa bia ono ya chichiri moto ewo 207 car ichi e na ono tiso oti moto no so wo car lechi ya chichiri no e na o twen ne jot menim se jot to say wiyo e na ono otwi speed dey we chiri chale me say he o ha on so nche obi o enti ne de we a eti bia no fanasa because ono wa feel relaxed e na oti moto na ya chichiri wo car lechi no and I just saw no speedy. How much more one so be a crowd same ultimate di a coba. You hear video no. I hear never see.
Look, look.
Na music gare. Uzura isaza la zuri music gare. That's so funny.
So, Sidia, but say moto ni chi away relaxed. E fa no ho kra. Nti se ade chiwo na se unya bibidi. Na se unya bibiti kakra bi na woni obi ni ase mfa o chense nko obi ni ma. Hu ni se nyame aye bia ma. Because me hu ni se bebi ote no oni lorry fare nti na ote ho. Nkolo o lorry fare anko beti na car ni. Oni lorry fare nti na ote bebi ote. Nti se utimi enya 2 cedi mpo e de fa ka e ko ejuma e ba de bia na da unya mi ase. Neji na yedi bia na if you maybe Pastor B and Eka say, if you thank God for what you have, He will give you what you don't have. Inti ye na mase. Se munya bre na motie mi numa asem na mahwe me soso. Inshira ne mu. Da se ne mu hia me bi. Bye bye.